Hello everyone! With Passover approaching, I thought I'd share with you all some Pesach traditions that happen every year on Seder night in Yiddish. So what is Seder night? Well, Seder, literally translated, means order. We call this meal an order because unlike any other night, on this night, everything is done in a specific order year after year. We follow the guidelines of the Haggadah to know what to do. And in my Yiddish-speaking family, we chant each step in a familiar tune. This tune has been sung for many generations, guiding children into knowing what will happen on Seder night. It's also helpful into knowing which step you're up to by hearing the whole family chanting it together. In this video, I'll be singing the steps of the Seder slowly and clearly, so hopefully you can learn a bit about the process and maybe some Yiddish as well. Here we go! Kaddish, wenn der Tate kimmt a heim fin Schiel, tut sich die Wasserkittel in Macht. Schnell, Kiddisch, gedei die kleine Kinderlich sollen nicht anschlafen. Every Jewish ritualistic meal begins by saying Kiddish, a blessing said by the head of the household on a cup of wine, and everyone says, Amen. Seder night is the only night of the year when everyone says the Kiddush together. Yirchץ, me wascht sich de Hände, me macht nicht a Bruche al nutilas Yidoyim. Jews have a commandment to do a ritual hand washing before eating bread. Al nutilas Yidayim is the blessing said during this hand washing. Kərpes, me neemt a Grünzeug, weine wie a Gesaies, me tinkt es an in Salzwasser, me macht a boirei prü a demu, me hat in Sinn zi patterende Murer. Yirchץ, me neemt de mittelste Matze, wo se heißt, Leivi mit zerbrechtes auf Hälft, de größere Hälft, leicht man weg kommen. In de kleinere Hälft leicht man zurück zwischen die zwei Matzes. A matzah is a round cracker made of a mixture of flour and water that has not been set to rise. It has to be baked for under 18 minutes. Mגיד, man sagt de Hagude fin, Hu lachmu anyu biz gual yisrual. Hu lachmu anyu are the first few words said from the first paragraph of the Haggadah, which is said during Mגיד, and gual yisrual are the last few words, which are said during Mגיד in the Haggadah. Pesach, matzah, imurer. Dam, sirfadaya, kinem, Rachzu, me wascht sich die Hände, me sagt, ja a Bruche al nutilas Yidoyim. Mוציא Matzu, me heibt auf alle drei Matzes, me macht ha Mוציא. Me lässt aus die interste Matze, me macht die Bruche al Achilles Matzu. Murer, me neemt a Gesaies, Murer, me tinkt es an, charoises, me macht al Achilles Murer, me esst es nicht ungelernt. Murer is a bitter vegetable, often eaten as lettuce or radish. Koirach, me neemt zwei Stücklich Matzes von der interste Matzes, me leicht inzwischen Murer, me sucht Seicher mich das Gehillel, me esst es ja ungelernt. Schilchen eurach, me greizt im Tischte, me esst, me trinkt le kuvud jantov, me fiert sich als me esst Eier. Zfon, me neemt a fide behalten a fi koimen, me esst a Gesaies far chatzos. As tradition goes, Once the afikomen has been put in its pouch, the children now have an opportunity to try to steal it from their father. They will proceed to hide it so that he can't find it. When Tzfon comes, the dad will ask his children for the afikomen back. The children will then ask the dad for something in return, like a small toy or any gift of their desire. Once their dad agrees to give them their desire, they'll give him the afikomen back. Beirach, megist und der dritte Koss immer bencht. Halal, megist und der vierte Koss immer sucht. Halal. Hallel is a prayer of praise said on holidays and on the first of every Jewish month. Nirtzu, Virestiti alle Sachen is bewilligt bei dem Eibishten. Nirtzu is the time we sing songs from the Haggadah together. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you'll have a wonderful Passover night. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Tack för idag, lihitrot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!